Guys, like, bro, based on experience, sorry. Based on experience, kakawatpad mo yan, G. Pero, totoo, mahirap talaga bumitaw at first. But, think of it, if di ka bumitaw, of course, wala na, tainted na yung, yung thoughts mo about him. Of course, you're always gonna think na, oh, kasi ako guys, never nagkakamali talaga yung gut feel ko. Laging totoo. Laging totoo. Laging totoo. Laging totoo. Tama? Hindi nagkakamali yung gut feel ko. Alam ko, pag sinasabay ako with someone, alam ko if hindi ako yung girl na that person wants, but the girl that he just wants to have fun with because I am always there. I am just there. Tsaka ayoko na ma-misinterpret nila na I am available for them. No. I will not be available for you. I'm not gonna waste my time for you. So if you want me, tell me you want me. So if you don't, then bye-bye. And if you lie to me, don't lie in front of my face because I already know. I know this a week ago before mo sinabi yung totoo. Parang ganun ako eh. Before pa sinabi sa akin ng totoo yung tao na nagkakasala sa akin, alam ko na way before they tell me. Because my gut feels were never wrong. Mga babae yan yung superpower natin. If your stomach drops, that's the time you start to emotionally cut them off. Because if you emotionally cut them off, slowly, yes, of course, you're gonna realize na they're gonna try to win you back again kasi they're realizing na, oh, you're slipping off. Ganun talaga yung mga lalaki, guys. You're slipping off. So, syempre, mag-e-effort yan sila na pakiligin ka ulit, paanuhin, kasi you're slipping off, oh, may in love ka na naman. Pero once that your stomach drop, that's the time where you need to step up and choose yourself. Because that's the time that there is really something wrong with them. There is someone else. And it is a feeling. You will know. You will know when you will know. Hindi yan, based on experience, yes. You will know and you will know. Ano ko guys, saint, di ba akong lumalandi din ako guys, lumalandi din ako. Ano ba kayo, kala nyo, di din kayo lumandi din kayo. Syempre, kailangan din natin kasi 22 na ako. Pero, di naman na nagmamadali. Pero kasi, buti na lang dito ako nag-16 sa Manila. Kasi parang, ang bilis basahin na ng mga galawan. Lapit na ako mag-23. Bitaw no, kanang kabalo na ta sa tinuod nga, ingon wala, kalami, balibag. No, we don't do that because we're women. We're not stupid. I feel like I wanted to talk to you guys. Feeling ko kailangan ko mag-chika tayo. O, anong chika natin? Yung Maestra Angie, on your way. O, advice. Kala mo naman, 22 magbibigay ng advice tapos di naman ina-apply. Ay, sorry. Kala mo naman, So, ayun na nga. Hello lang sa akin. Hello, Jaime. Pero yeah, once that you feel like your stomach drop, that's when the time you know that it is enough. You need to choose yourself. Because men are so easy to read. If they don't want you, they don't really want you. But they will play with you because they easily get bored. Oh, magtanong na kayo, anong gusto niyo itanong love life? Your Doma is here. Hi, loves! The Queen Ugly, you're not ugly! Anong forecast bukas? Tingnan natin, search natin. The forecast bukas. So, tomorrow, I am announcing today that the precipitation is 45%, humidity will be 80%, and wind speed will be at 8 km per hour. Weather on Monday is a heavy thunderstorm day. So, yeah. So sad because I can't run. Nobody can go out. And good for you. Good for me. Good for everyone else. But I hope na hindi bumabaha ngayon. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. O, tanong na love life. Anong tatanong nyo? Tanong na kayo. Wala akong inhaler, guys. Hindi pa dumating. So, waiting lang. Kung kung totoo nandyan, edi okay. Kung wala, okay lang din. Wag na love life. Ayoko, gusto ko mag-chika. Love life. Sino dyan mga broken hearted? Turuan ko kayo. Wala bang manliligaw sa'yo? Wag mo nang itanong yan, guys. Yun yung tanong yan. Hindi sa akin. Gusto ko makaan ng love life ng iba. Kasi wala nang akong love life. Tinatanong nyo pa ako yan. Yes, you have to take a chance in love. But you will know if it's the one. If it's not the one, then it's not the one. Malalaman nyo lang yan eh. Kayo lang yan makakaalam. Kaya I'll never close my door. But I feel like I'm losing hope. But at the same time, I'm not closing my door. Broke up with my Taiwanese doctor BF last year, hihi, because of his family. Aww. Why, man? Pero, naniniwala din kasi ako na walang totga. There is no such thing as the one that got away. Because if it's really the one, then you will fight for it. Fight for it. Kasi nga, it's the one, okay? I really do believe that some people are destined for us and some people are just not. Some people are just meant there to pass by, teach us a lesson, give us a little bit of love, and then go. And it's normal, and it's life. Because in life, nothing really is permanent, and everything is changing. Feelings are changing, characters are changing, people are changing. We are growing up. We are not stagnant. And if you're stagnant, then your life is boring. And we don't want that, right? That's why there's always a problem. And after the problem, there's hayahayness. What's hayahay in Tagalog? Maginhawa, right? Yung maginhawa, tapos in another season in our lives, oh, hirap naman tayo, taghirap naman tayo. But it is normal. It is how life is designed, and it is how God already designed your destiny, the place that you have to go through, the situation you have to grow through in order for you to grow, not by your character, but grow spiritually. To grow your heart, to grow your soul, and to grow your faith. So yeah. Tama na, heart talk, allergic ako. No, kailangan natin ito malaman, guys, kasi kung magtatanga-tangahan lang tayo this 2026, it's not gonna be okay. We are gonna hurt ourselves and we're gonna put ourselves in Lippy Brandeis. It's next to my lip gloss. I mix in with, ubos na nga yung BLK ko eh. I like poolside of BLK. I use this one. I mix up with, this lip moisturizer by Vaseline. And I mix up a ton of lipstick to get what color that I want. And this NYX na lip oil. And this is my Maybelline. Name Ken. Yeah. I mix a ton of lipsticks to get what lip I want. So yeah. May crush ka ba? Nalaman mo din na crush ka din niya? No. May crush ako, pero yung mga crush ko di ako crush. But it's okay. May nakikilala kang swak sa ideal guy mo? Ang ganda naman yan. Burning heart. Our heart is on fire because we are passionate. Like Ate Feliz. Thank you, Ate. So, ayun na nga. Thank you, Louie Basco. Blue Eagle, thank you. Lahat naman tayo may ideal eh. Pero, so far, no. Ba't ko ilalatag? Ang daming pretend yan. Ito lagi din sinasabi ni Mami sa akin na kapag may crush ka daw sa isang tao, huwag mong sabihin sa kanila na crush mo or huwag mong sabihin sa sobrang raming tao. At least sa mga taong yung pinagkakatiwalaan mo just so that you won't get confused with the feeling. So ayun. So I tell my mom, I have a crush. I have some few crushes. Jay, saan mo tinago yung list mo? Ang tawag ito? Yung sa box. Nandun lahat. Basta nandun na, tsaka malalaman ko kung ano talaga. Okay, can we see? No, I'm not gonna let anyone see it because it's a prayer. It's a letter, and at the same time, it's my prayer request, my prayer letter request to God. At saka kapag yun talaga nangyari talaga, I give up kayo guys, mag-ano kayo, yung certain situation na gusto niyo makita, yung the love of your life, kung saan niyo sila gusto makita, tapos kung anong damit, tsaka kung anong bulaklak na ibibigay sa'yo. Right now, no pa. I'm still working. Sadly, unfortunately, I'm still working. But fortunately enough that I'm still working. Wrong. So, yeah. Correction. So, yeah. But I really wanted to study now. I really, really wanted to go to school. Basa ka ng letters from Sunshines. Sige, magbabasa ako. Wait lang, I'll be right back. Sakit ang mata ko. Hintayin muna kayo dyan ha. Kausapin niyo muna yung yung laptop. Baka magsalita yan. Hala, biglang dumilim. Okay. Now I'm back. Flip the camera. Okay, sakit ang ulo ko, guys. So, let's read some letters here that I wrote. This is my letter. So, I'm gonna keep that here. Hindi ko pa ito na-organize eh. Yeah. Here are some photos that I have when I was little. This is my cousin, Atilaika, and me. See? It's me. This is me on the 8th grade. Grade 8 ako nito, grade 7 si the boy. Wah! Ano yung tumutugtog aircon yun, te? This is me and the boy in Cebu. I think we're about to go to Manila at that time. Yeah. Umiiyak ako nito. Ako pa rin to, tsaka si the boy. Umiiyak ako nito kasi gusto ko dun sa octopus. Nilagay ako ni daddy dun sa may dolphin. Sabi ko, hindi nga, ayoko nga ng dolphin kasi feeling lalaki ako dati. Kung anong trip ng kapatid ko, trip ko din. Background music. Ay, sorry na. Ito pang patulog ko, guys. Ganda, di ba? Baka makatulog na ako. Here's ang kalmanong Atilaika and me. Here's me and the boy and Atilaika. May isa pa kaming picture dito na kita yung mukha namin si Atilaika, parang dito nakatago. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng ate ko, guys. Hindi alam. Ganda ate ko. Me and the boy, I think I was 6, 7 years. This is the last time that we visited in US. And actually, grandpa is on my side here. Oh no, the grandpa is on the side with the boy, and I was like holding the snowball in my hand, trying to hit my grandma with it and my mom because they're in front of us taking pictures. And this is my dad, me, and I think this is my cousin. I forgot his name. I think it's Josh. So yeah, that's my cousin. Parang second cousin on my dad's side. So that's me when I was young. Ganda-ganda ko ng batang pangit-pangit ko ngayon. Si tatay yun. Yung first time kong umuwi ulit from after ng 2019, 2023 ako ulit nakauwi from 2019. Took me almost 5 years bago ko ulit ng Siargao. And my nanay, yung nanay cried. I love nanay. Mahina na yan! Wala kang music. Ayan, okay na? Ito, pinsan ko. Mga pinsan ko. Si Kuya Seth, kasal na yan. Si Talaika, kasal na yan. Single. Single! Sabi nga nila, pag lagi nasa gitna daw sa picture, lagi daw single. Totoo talaga kasi lagi ginigit na. So, ayun, lagi single talaga ko hanggang sa kumanda. Me and my brother. Look, we look like twins. Sabi nga nila, akala nila, ang daming nag-aakala na magkambal kami ni The Boy. Ngayon na tilaylay. When we're little. First hug after almost 5 years of not seeing each other. That's me and my brother. We've never been that... Actually, recently, we've never been this freaking close. Nung lumaki na kami, ngayon lang na sobrang layo na namin, doon namin na-realize na, grabe, namiss namin yung isa't isa. Kasi yung ginagawa namin dati nang maliit kami, actually hanggang ngayon, we still argue. I love arguing with my brother. My brother is so patient. This is me and my brother. I was grade 7. The boy was... Oh no! The boy... I was grade 8. Grade 9 this time. Grade 9. I think this is grade 9. Yeah, so weird. Me and my mom. Diba, nagmas pa? Ito, family picture namin. Reunion to namin lahat. Kumpleto kami. Ay, hindi kami kumpleto. Hindi pala kami kumpleto. Kulang sa Timanang, wala sa Timanang. Pining ng mama ko. Graduation, pining niya. Tapos kinabukasan graduation niya. So, sa pining kami nag-attend din kasi dito kami pwedeng ilakad siya. Nung sa graduation niya, si tatay tsaka si nanay na yung naglakad for her. So, ayun. Next is the letters. I'm gonna read this letter. So, happy birthday. Ay, sa birthday ko pala to. Sa iyong kaarawan, alam kong natutuwa ang Panginoon sa iyong buhay. Guys, sorry ha, bobo ko sa Tagalog. This would be so hard for me. Marami. Ate Gracia, ano ba naman tong writing mo? Hindi ko makita. From Ate Grace. Marami na ang nangyari, maraming pagsubok ang iyong nalagpasan. Hindi madali ang journey na meron ka, but by the grace and mercy of God, malalagpasan mo. Angie, stay strong and always put God first. Dito lang kami to pray for you, support you, and love you. Birthday mo, kaya masaya ako na meron big blessing sa'yo. Pahalagahan mo ang buhay na binigay ng Diyos. Hoping magustuhan mo ang simpleng gift ko for you. Hope to see you soon. Dream ko pa rin makasama ka, the boy and mommy mo sa mission. Okay. Praying mangyari ito by God's grace. I love you. God bless you always. Love, Ate Grace. Thank you, Ate Grace. Ate Grace, muntik ko lang di mabasa ang letter mo. Hey guys, this is giving sentimental. Oh my God. Oh, comment dyan. Feeling ko kung sino ang top gifter ngayon dito na umabot ng, paano ba? Anong goal natin sa top gifter? Ilang diamonds ba ang dapat i-drop ng top gifter para, paano mo makita yung top gifter? May ibibigay ako na paraiso sa dalawang top gifter na ano to? Stickers. Hindi ko to nagagamit eh. Ibibigay ako ng sticker. Oh, sino? Maghulog na. So next. Oh no, this is another. This is a different one. Ito from Ate Cherilyn. Rose Key Victoria. Ate Cherilyn. Ate Cherilyn, muntik di ko na mabasa. Oh my God. Parang ano lang to, notebook lang to sa mga may utang sa'yo. I love you, teacher. Hello, Langga Angie. Thank you for being one of my inspiration in life. Continue being kind to us as your fans, Langga. Huwag mong isipin ang mga sinasabi ng bashers. Remember mo lagi na as long as you do right, God is always with you. Always. Papalain ka lalo ni Lord sa iyong career. Huwag ka lang makalimot sa Kanya. Yan ang isang Paano ba ito basahin? L ba to or H or B? Biraha. Hinahangaan. Yan ang isang hinahangaan ko sa'yo. Ate Cherilyn ha. Ang pagiging God-fearing mo. God bless you. God bless you more, Angie. Take care always. Love you, Ate Cherilyn. Ate Cherilyn, muntik di ko na mabasa tong ano mo. Hinahangaan, oo. Guys, send nyo ka Ate Cherilyn. Sabihin nyo, thank you. Mabasa nyo ba? I-screenshot nyo, tsaka ilagay sa ano ba yun? Sa X, tapos magsabi, thank you. Kay Ate Cherilyn. Nandiyan sa Ate Cherilyn, muntik di ko na mabasa. Ito may picture pa ako nakakahiya naman. Dapat picture mo yung nilagay. Ba't ako? From, Crisel. Hello, Angie. Happy Sunshine's Day. You make everything easier when you are around. You are a blessing to everyone. Wishing you all the best this holiday season. Enjoy the time you have with your loved ones. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you, G. Hope to see you soon. Love, Ate Crisel. Thank you, Ate Crisel. Picture and post. Pakitanggal na lang po yung mukha ko. Iba to. But guys, I really kept every letter that you guys sent me. Ang haba naman ito. Sige, ito na lang, practice na to. Guys, kung magsulat kayo. Tita Ron! Basahin natin. Mahirap basahin to kasi blue. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy yung sasabihin ko. Ayun na nga, ito. Dear Angie, good day to you. I hope you are always in a good health even though your hectic schedule. I am one of your supporters from the titas here in US and Canada. G, I'm from saan to? Bukidnon? I'm from Bukidnon but I live here in Toronto. Bisdak kung dako. Sorry guys, Bisaya si Ate Restaurant. Kauban ni sa imo Mami Brandy sa group chat. Nag-start kog support nimo sa imo sa PBB days pa. Ikaw ra ako kalipay whenever nakauli ko gikan sa work. Maadto dayon ko sa Twitter, ngita update sa imo. Even though dili ko active all the time, pero naara ko kanunay nagga-suporta sa imo. Hope makauli ko pohon, mamit ka in person, pero dugay pa may tabo. Maybe during that time, successful na ka sa imong career. In Jesus' name, unta, one day pag magkita tayo, I'm already a person na who identifies her choices in life as a success. I hope mutagad pa ka sa amo. My goodness, I hope mutagad pa ka mo sa ako. I hope you guys will still know me and you guys will stay and will always be there for me. Sa amo ang mga supporters, I had been there sa Philippines last July 2022 pa. Ano to? Hindi po pa. I handled the burial of my mother. It's not a vacation, it's just emergency leave. I spent 2 weeks in Bukidnon, maybe 2 to 3 years pa ko makauli usab. In that time, siguro, stable na imong career as an artista. I have a gift for you for your birthday, Christmas, and Valentine's. I hope you will like it. Thank you, Tita Restaurant. The gifts comes from the bottom of my heart. See you someday whenever I will visit the Philippines. Love lots, Tita Restaurants. I still have this one. This things that you sent me. And this one, yeah. Thank you, Tita Restaurant. Dari pa kay Tita Restaurant. Hello, Angie. Wishing you all the best in your career. Excited to see you soon in the teleserye. Good luck, and we are here to support you all the way. We love you. From... What's this? Ay, Aries pala. From the titas of Lisbel.